Hello there, folks. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the secrets and mysteries of the infamous Bermuda Triangle. This enigmatic stretch of sea nestled between Florida, Puerto Rico, and the Bermuda Islands has been the subject of intrigue for decades. Spanning an impressive 3.9 million square kilometers, it has earned notoriety for the unexplained disappearances of numerous ships and aircraft. From the vanishing of an entire squadron of U.S. Navy planes in 1945 to theories of alien abductions, the Bermuda Triangle fires up our imagination like few other places on Earth. Scientists have put forth explanations ranging from magnetic declination to gigantic waves, but the mystery persists. The Triangle even has a place in popular culture, with authors like Vincent Gaddis and Charles Berlitz popularizing the term and offering paranormal arguments to the phenomena. So, buckle up as we embark on this mysterious journey. The Bermuda Triangle, located between Florida, Puerto Rico, and the Bermuda Islands, is an area spanning 3.9 million square kilometers. That's approximately 1.5 million square miles if you prefer. This vast expanse of ocean is notorious for its mystique and eerie reputation, with countless tales of disappearing ships and aircraft. Imagine this. A ship sails into the triangle under clear skies only to vanish without a trace. An aircraft flies over the area, radios in for a routine check, and then silence. No distress call, no debris, just the endless expanse of the ocean. These stories have fueled our collective fascination and fear of the Bermuda Triangle for generations. And the tales are not just about disappearances. Some narratives are tinged with the supernatural. Take the story of the infamous Flight 19, for instance. In 1945, 5 American Navy Avenger torpedo bombers mysteriously disappeared during a routine training mission. Despite extensive search efforts, no trace of the aircraft or the 14 airmen was ever found. Then there are the theories that stretch the boundaries of our imagination even further. Extraterrestrial involvement, anyone? Yes, some believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotbed for alien abductions, a gateway to another dimension perhaps. But let's take a step back and look at this critically. Yes, the Bermuda Triangle has been the setting for numerous unexplained disappearances. Yes, it has been the subject of countless tales and theories, some grounded in reality, others veering into the realm of science fiction. But is there more to it than just folklore and urban legends? As we dive deeper into the science behind the Bermuda Triangle, let's remember that truth can sometimes be stranger than fiction. After all, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and the Bermuda Triangle is just one of them. But is there more to it than just folklore and urban legends? Let's delve into the scientific explanations that might shed light on these mysteries. Firstly, we have the concept of magnetic declination. Now, this isn't some esoteric scientific term that you need a PhD to understand. Simply put, it's the difference between magnetic north, where your compass points to, and true north, the top of the world. This difference can vary greatly depending on where you are on Earth. If navigational equipment is not calibrated correctly to account for this, it could misdirect pilots and sailors, leading them off course. In the Bermuda Triangle, this declination is surprisingly large, which could explain why so many vessels lose their way. Next up are hexagonal clouds, a meteorological phenomenon that's as fascinating as it sounds. These clouds, which can be up to 55 miles across, create what scientists call air bombs. These are powerful downdrafts of air that can generate massive waves of up to 45 feet high. Imagine being on a ship or plane caught in that. It's not hard to see how these air bombs and monster waves could cause disappearances in the triangle. Lastly, let's dive beneath the ocean's surface and explore the role of methane gas. The ocean floor in the Bermuda Triangle is marked by tectonic activity. This activity can produce large bubbles of methane gas. If one of these bubbles were to reach the surface, it could theoretically engulf a ship, causing it to sink. For an aircraft, flying into a methane bubble could cause engine failure and a rapid descent. But it's worth noting that while these scientific explanations are plausible, none of them have been definitively proven to be the cause of the Bermuda Triangle disappearances. The magnetic declination, while significant, is known and can be accounted for in navigation. Hexagonal clouds and air bombs are not unique to the Bermuda Triangle, and their destructive power, while considerable, is not beyond the capabilities of modern ships and aircraft to withstand. As for the methane bubbles, while it's true they could cause a ship to sink or an aircraft to crash, such events are extraordinarily rare. In the end, the Bermuda Triangle remains a mystery. Despite the best efforts of scientists and researchers, we still don't have a definitive explanation for the strange occurrences in this part of the world. But that's what makes it so fascinating, isn't it? The unknown, the unexplained, the mysterious. They draw us in, make us question, and keep us searching for answers. But could there be more than just natural phenomena at play here? Now, let's turn our attention to some of the more outlandish theories and legends. One of the most enduring theories about the Bermuda Triangle involves the lost city of Atlantis. According to the ancient philosopher Plato, Atlantis was a technologically advanced civilization that mysteriously vanished overnight. Some proponents of the Atlantis theory suggest that the city lies beneath the Bermuda Triangle, and its advanced technology is responsible for the strange occurrences in the area. They argue that this technology might be interfering with modern navigation systems, leading to the disappearance of ships and planes. A fascinating theory, isn't it? But while it stirs the imagination, there's little in the way of solid evidence to support it. Now let's talk about two individuals who played a significant role in popularizing the Bermuda Triangle mystery, authors Vincent Gaddis and Charles Berlitz. Gaddis was the first to use the term Bermuda Triangle in an article he wrote in 1964 for the pulp magazine Argosy. He suggested that the triangle was a supernatural danger zone where the laws of physics were violated or suspended. He even proposed that the Bermuda Triangle was a gathering site for UFOs. In the same vein, Charles Berlitz, a linguist and the grandson of the founder of the Berlitz language schools, also wrote extensively on the Bermuda Triangle. His book, The Bermuda Triangle, published in 1974, became a worldwide bestseller. Berlitz proposed various paranormal explanations for the triangle's supposed mysteries. He suggested everything from magnetic anomalies and dimensional portals to extraterrestrial activity. His book solidified the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a place of mystery and danger. While these theories and legends are intriguing, it's essential to remember that scientific evidence doesn't back them, but they certainly have fueled the public's fascination with the Bermuda Triangle. They've inspired countless books, movies, and TV shows, contributing to the triangle's enduring place in popular culture. It's also worth noting that many of these theories and legends have been debunked by skeptics and scientists alike. They argue that the number of disappearances within the Bermuda Triangle is not significantly higher than other well-traveled sections of the ocean. They also point out that many of the supposedly mysterious disappearances have plausible explanations, like human error, equipment failure, or severe weather. Yet, despite the debunking, the theories and legends persist. And perhaps that's part of the Bermuda Triangle's allure. It's a place where the line between fact and fiction is blurred, where the mundane meets the extraordinary. It's a reminder that despite our advancements in science and technology, there are still places in the world that remain shrouded in mystery and intrigue. While these theories might seem far-fetched, they certainly add to the intrigue of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle continues to baffle and inspire. Its enigmatic allure lies in its location, stretching between Florida, Puerto Rico, and the Bermuda Islands, and the inexplicable disappearances of ships and aircraft within its boundaries. This vast 3.9 million square kilometer expanse has birthed numerous legends and myths, from the vanishing of an American naval squadron in 1945 to theories of alien abductions. Scientific explanations, though compelling, have yet to provide definitive answers. The magnetic declination that could alter navigation equipment, hexagonal cloud formations generating air currents and massive waves, and tectonic activity producing methane gas pockets, all contribute to the triangle's mystique. Theories linking the Bermuda Triangle to the lost city of Atlantis and paranormal arguments presented by authors like Vincent Gaddis and Charles Berlitz further fuel our curiosity. This intriguing anomaly of nature keeps us questioning and reflecting. Will we ever unravel all its secrets? Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our world.